Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on episode 2 of Kraft. I love my little ears. I'm going to try to add a tail to my back because I have seen a couple skins with like a tail added to the back. So I'm going to try that. But I promised you guys we would go to the temple. We will do that, I promise. But I'm still trying to find this cave. It's going to drive me crazy if I don't find it. Because I can hear the spider. Oh, and I found it! Look at that! It's just I can't. Oh, there's a creeper. Oh no, Mr. Creeper, please don't. Please don't explode. Please don't. I need food. Why did I do this? Okay, well, I at least know it's here. So, let's go find some food, actually. Ooh, there's some sugar cane. Oh, that sounds really gross. I'm sorry, guys. It's my allergies still. They're acting up really bad. I'm so glad it's turning fall, which there's no fall where I live in Florida. There's no fall. I don't know why I'm saying that. But they'll at least not be so bad. Why are there no animals? There's only sheep and the MoCreatures. Turkey. We're gonna have some Thanksgiving dinner a little early. Did I kill that bird? No. We're gonna have Thanksgiving a little early this year. And I can't run anymore. There was some boars. I saw some boars around here and they will give me pork chops. So let's see if we can find us some boars. Boars, where you at? Also, I'm gonna get a fox. I don't believe they were tameable before, but I know you can tame them now. No, please, no boar. Did you not give me any pork chops? No. Took damage for nothing. Come here, boar. Come here. You didn't give me any pork chops either. Dang it. Dang it. Give me that XP. I know in other updates they weren't tameable, but I believe they are in this, the newest update. I believe. Sorry, guys. I believe they're tameable with turkey, but I don't. Oh no, Mr. Skeleton, please no! No! Mr. Skeleton, come out here, please. Let me get you. Oh, I want your hat! I want your hat! Oh, did I get that hat? Please tell me I got the hat. Yes! We're wearing a party hat. I also have that breadfish hat, which is weird. We are wearing a party hat, guys. We're wearing a party hat. And look, I have like a little, I don't know what that's called, in my mouth. But we're wearing a party hat. Oh, creeper! No! Alright, let's kill him. Because he's gonna keep coming after me. Die. Also, I will have my, I don't know, what's it called? I'm trying to focus on killing this creeper and not dying. Yes. What is it called? My resource texture pack, whatever you want to call it. I will have that in the description also for you guys if you would like that one. If you'd like to download that texture pack. I'm sorry guys for the yawning. I'm just really tired. I have to work in the morning, so I can't be recording. I can't be up really late, so I'm trying to get this done. And get to bed. Get my clothes done. Get them all washed. Also, I've kind of thought about. I'm gonna have a set schedule, but if you would like me to change up my schedule of postings, let me know. I'm going to try, and there's a creeper. I'm going to try to do it at least twice a week. I'm going to try Tuesdays and Fridays, I think. That way I'll get, you know, a video in the middle of the week, and you'll have a video for... You get one near the beginning and the end of the week. If you would like different days of the week, let me know and I will try to get it to happen. But and my schedule is different every week at work, so I don't know. I'll probably just try to stick with the schedule. But if you'd like me to upload different days, or even like Fridays and Mondays, make your Mondays a little bit better, let me know and I could try, because I'm off every Monday and Tuesday right now. But yeah, let me know about that if you would like different days. I think I'm going to keep the Friday, but if you would like a different day instead of Tuesday for the other video, let me know. But I can't really upload every day or every other day because I do have the job, so you know that takes up half of my week. I work like 4 to 5 days depending on, you know, how busy it is. So I can't upload every day. But I will try to do it at least twice a week. Because I watch videos myself on YouTube. I watch Cupquake mostly. My cousin that I live with, she's like, oh, Cupquake this, Cupquake that. And not really bad. She just messes with me because I'm always watching it. I don't have TV. I just watch YouTube and Netflix. And even when I get my house, I'm not going to have cable. I'm just going to watch YouTube. That entertains me more than I watch TV anyways. So, I also can't get lost. But this map, I was talking about in the last episode. I'm sorry. I think I have like slight ADHD. I'm not sure. I jump around. So, if I jump from one subject to another, I'm sorry. That's just me. And I'm taking damage. Because I'm hungry. Because I don't know how to eat, obviously. What was I talking about? I forgot. Sorry, guys. I forgot what I was talking about. I know I was talking about uploading, and then I started talking about something else. Let's go get some potatoes and carrots. Why didn't I think about this? You know, if I take fall damage, I'm going to die, and I don't want to die this early on in the series. I would like not to die at all in this series, but it's going to happen eventually. Let's just eat some carrots. And they do nothing for me. At least I get my health back up and I can start regenerating, and I won't die if I fall. Because I will fall and die. See, it's lagging again. And I don't know why. Why do you give me trouble? Why? I'm never gonna have to have a garden, am I? If I build far enough away from the village. But right now I'm gonna take your crops. Because I am hungry. I'm a hungry girl. Elephant, how'd you get up there? How'd you get up there? I swear, those elephants. If I didn't know any better, I would think they were like lions or tigers or something. Well, that's probably because there's a lion, or what are you? What are you? You are a big cat. What kind of big cat are you? And we're gonna get some potatoes. And we're gonna have food for days. I'm trying to keep these episodes at least 25 minutes. We gotta go sleep before monsters start spawning. But I'm gonna try to keep these episodes to 25 minutes. So they're not too long. But not too short either. So you get, a good amount in there. Oh, I was talking about Cupquake, wasn't I? Yes, I was. I watch Cupquake. So, I watch her and Joey Graceffa. They are what inspired me to do this and to do what I love to do. I love to play games. I love it. They're the ones that inspired me to do this. Let me make a furnace and start cooking some of this food and smelt this iron. And then we will go to the temple. I promise you guys. But they're the ones that inspired me to do this, and I love to play games, and Cupquake is all about her fans and, do what you love to do, and I love to play games, so why not share that with other people that love to do what I do? Why not? If I'm enjoying myself, why not share my happiness with other people? I love to make people happy. And so if I make your day, if I make somebody's day, then, I've made my day. I love to play games, and I love to make people happy. If you're happy, I'm happy. Sorry about that. Going off on a little spurt there for a second. But let me get some baked potatoes. I'm going to clear out my inventory also because I don't want to lose all this stuff. We're going to get some food. And then we're going to go to the temple. This is like going to be like my home for right now until I start building my house. Let's make a big chest until I start building my house. So I can't be carrying around all my stuff. Put all this stuff in here. Carrots. I'm gonna keep baked potatoes with me. Keep some of this with me. Put the bones in here. Put that in there. Keep some wood with me. I don't want gravel. Let's put this raw turkey. Iron in here. Alright, guys. As long as it's not getting dark, I'm going to need to make another pickaxe. Let's make an iron pickaxe and an iron sword. I have enough to do both of those. Bam. I'm about to get an upgrade, guys. I thought I got an upgrade when I did that. Maybe not. We're going to keep the sword up here until my other one breaks. And let's go, guys. Let's go to the temple. Well, let me check to see where the sun is first. It's about midday. We got enough time. Just gonna go. Just gonna plop in the water, and we're going to go. Aw, man! No, Guys, that was the temple exploding. Man! That is the second time that has happened to me ever. Man. Oh, I really want to know what was down here. Poop on you! Poop on you! What were you? What exploded? Well, what triggered the explosion, I should say. Because I know what exploded. At least we're getting some iron out of this. There might have been diamonds in there. Man. Oh well. No! 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 Take it! No! No! Die! Ah. Was it you, skeleton? Were you the culprit? Did you explode the temple? Knowing I was coming down here? Bet you it was. Like, oh, let's explode this. Come on, friend, go step on this pressure plate. It's going to spew out diamonds. And then boom. Killed your friend. Just so I couldn't get what was in there. Man. Oh well. We're getting some iron. So that's good. Then I'll go find me some diamonds and I'll kill all your friends. Stupid skeleton. Man. Sorry guys. I really want to know what was in there too, and I'm sure you guys did too. Oh well. That's Minecraft for you. How many pieces of iron did I get out of this though? 26. Alright, see, I wouldn't have found all that iron if it hadn't exploded, but I wish it hadn't exploded. Because there could have been some iron ingots in there too. So just a fair warning for you guys. If y'all, when I give you your seed, whenever I give the seed out, go to the temple first off. Don't wait. And then you guys can tell me what was in there. If there was diamonds, I don't want to know. Did I get everything? Yep, I did. Oh, I should have killed a bird. So I could have morphed into the bird. And flew out of here, because now this is going to be hard being out here. Sorry if you guys can't see. Oh, it's not hard. I mined right up to the spot where I made the stairs. Dang it. I think that's the way out. Just covered up with sand. Hopefully it's not dark out there. No, it's not. It's getting dark though. What's that out there? Also, my render distance is, I think, pretty high. Yeah, my render distance is at 12. It might be this texture pack with making it look like this in the desert, because it doesn't look like that when I'm over there by the village and stuff. So it may be the ambiance, I guess you could say, of the desert. They give it like a desert feel. I don't know, I've never been in a desert, so I don't know if it's foggy kind of looking. See, because it doesn't look like that anymore, and I don't think we are in the desert. I keep taking screenshots. this wool? I don't want it. Elephant. Also, if you guys... This is damp grass. If you guys can tell me what Miner's Delight is, please tell me, because I have no idea what it is or what it is used for. Elephant, are you stuck? Do you need help? No, you're not stuck. Move. Go out. Go. So let's smelt some of this iron. Get that turkey out of there. Put this stuff away. Oh, I got a bow. Oh, and it's like brand new. Yes. I'm not that good with bows, but yes. Thank you, skeleton. You have helped me in some way. Alright, let's eat. I promise I'm going to try in the next episode to not be so sniffly. I know it probably sounds gross, but it's just my allergies. I promise, guys. It's not. I'm not sick or anything like that. It's just my allergies. But it's getting dark. Make some doors real quick. I think I'm gonna make some, but I don't know how long I'm gonna be down here. So let's make a couple doors. No, elephant, you cannot come in. You are not welcome. Stay out. I'm sorry. I know it hurts your feelings. We're gonna make some armor real quick. Got a chest plate. Bam. What is that? Is that the elephant? Please, guys, tell me if that's the elephant. I don't like that sound. We're gonna sleep. I think I was recording for about 20 minutes. I think. I thought I only had 4 left in there. I was like, no, there was 14 or 26. I haven't used that much. No, creepy cave noises. No! I don't like the creepy cave noises. Let's get these out of here. Should I cook all my potatoes? Oh, I'll have to go back to the village and get them all. Let's go see. There's that creeper still in this cave. Yes! Oh, creeper! Why are you always creeping? No! Damn it. Sorry, guys. Did not mean to cuss. Sorry. Didn't mean to. That creeper needs to stop creeping. I don't want you to explode. Let me get my bow. Bow and arrow. And see if I can get in. Where is he at? Oh shoot. Where'd he go? There's some iron right there. Where'd the creeper go? Did he run away? You know I was gonna go get the bow. He's scared. Scared of the almighty, Brittany? Bet you he was. Bet you that's why he ran. Oh yeah. Be afraid. Be very afraid. Okay. Make our chest plate. Look at that. Oh, just enough. Oh, did I make chest plate, you guys? Yes, I needed pants. Seriously. I needed pants. Not a chest plate. Now I gotta smell that. I needed pants. Pantalones. I needed some pantalones. Okay, where is this? Where is he? Like, seriously. Oh, there you are. There you is. Where's your creeper friend? Hmm? Where's your creep friend? Oh, there he is. There he be. I don't want to shoot you. I want to shoot your Mr. Creeper friend. Where's your creeper buddy at? Is that him? There he is. Yes. 1, 2. Right there. 3, 4. Is that? No! Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Stupid creeper. Did I lose all those arrows? I think I might put like a gate here. Maybe. Make me some pants, and then we will end the episode. Alright guys, thanks Elephant for that awesome outro. I forgot I had a hat on. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye!